Hey, hello everybody. This is a video on wiper blade maintenance. I have a 4-year-old RV of which over half of those wiper blades on the 3 slides that I have were beginning to tear. So I had them all replaced, and a 25-year experienced RV technician showed me what type of preservative to spray on these rubber slide wipers in order to preserve them. So what I think we need to do is move forward, and I'll show you what I did. Here you see the wiper blades, vertical wiper blades on a slide. This is the way they are on every one of the slides. This is the protectant that the technician suggested I get. This slide out rubber seal protectant by Protect All is the company, and it is about $20 something a can, something like that. Window seals, door seals. Here you see the uses and the advantages of it. It seals and stays soft and pliable. It's a non-oily film. So what ends up doing with that, it's anti-static also. So it doesn't promote the collection of dust and dirt on there. And it also provides what kills most of the rubber, and that's the UV light. So it guards against premature deterioration. It's water repellent, so it is good that the water does not affect it. And also, when you spray this foam on there, it stays. It does not run or drip down. It just stays where you spray it. So it's really good stuff. In just a second, I'll tell you what let's do. Let's look at how we apply this to our slide wiper blades and this type of thing. First thing you want to do is give the can a real good shaking. Shake well. And then you're going to spray the foam down the slide wiper blade and let it sit for maybe a minute or so. At least that's what they suggest. But you're about 3 or 4 inches away from the slide rubber when you spray it. And so what you want to do is leave it on there. I left it on there for about a minute and let it really kind of soak in a little bit. And this type of thing. So okay, what we're doing here is we're going to show you what we are talking about. Here are the wiper blades on the RV, and this is what I had replaced. So now let's talk about how we preserve this rubber on the slide from now on. Here you see where I had sprayed one of the slides. I let it sit for a while. In a minute you'll see another clip where I had sprayed it on, let it sit, and then I just took a cloth and then just slowly begin to wipe it down. Not real hard, not applying a lot of pressure, but just a gentle wiping of the blade. And you can see how it's somewhat soaked into all the rubber surfaces on the slide and also on the RV area there. So that you can kind of get an idea of just how you would actually apply this and then how you would wipe it. It's just a great, very light stroke on wiping. You'll find that you'll have enough of the protectant on the rag or on the cloth, that you can use it to touch up any areas that you may think you have missed. For instance, here you see where I had actually sprayed it down the slide. You can tell it was my first time trying to use it, so I've kind of got it scattered everywhere. But that wipes off the other surfaces really easy. But I just let it sit there for about a minute, and you can tell it's not running down the rubber wiper. It's pretty much sitting there, and it's beginning to work and set up on there. And then I began to come back over on this other slide wiper, took my cloth, just kind of slightly wiped it down, and you can see how it adheres to the rubber wiper very well. And you can also see that I got some on that window gasket, which is good, because I'm going to come back here in a little while, and I'm going to also coat those window seals gaskets. And I had enough material on that soft cloth that I didn't have to spray any of the material on the windows. I just took the cloth and wiped the actual rubber gaskets around the window, and it was more than enough for that. So, and oh yeah, by the way, don't forget to do the door gasket, the rubber door gasket as well. Hey, if you like this video, I'd like for you to like and subscribe to RV Norm Burgess website YouTube site. Everybody have a blessed day.